Hello again and welcome back to the Aweber training tutorial. In this training tutorial I wanted to talk about list automation. List automation is really handy whenever you have multiple lists set up so that you can move when somebody is opted into a different list than the one that you're working in currently, but they are opted in on both of those lists at the same time, your list automation can automatically remove or add someone however you want them to do. So to get to list automation, all you have to do is we're on the home screen, you go all the way over to list options to the drop down menu, you go to list automation right here. Alright, and in list automation, here's your automation rules. Like I said, you can add people to different lists. You can remove people from different lists. Especially if you have APIs set up, this is really handy. This is a more advanced step, but if this is something that you have set up in your business, then it can automate things for you and make them a little bit easier. In order to create a rule, all you have to do is go right here. You want to make sure you're on the list. You're in the current list that you want to work with, that you want to set the list automation rules for. And you'll go down to actions and create a new rule. You'll have three options. You can unsubscribe from a list, test email. You see how it says brackets test email? That's because we are in that current list. Test email, and when subscribing to, and then this would be the list that they're subscribing to. I set up another list inside of here so that we could be able to do this. You really can't use the list automation if you only have one list, but eventually you will have multiple lists, and this can become very handy. So if you just wanted to unsubscribe the prospect from the test email list when they subscribe to the tutorial email list, you just click on it, have the next list that you have set up here, and then save the automation rule. Now it's going to add it right under actions right here for you, and if you ever decide that you want to get rid of it, you want to take that rule back off, all you have to do is hit this little red X right here and delete it. Just that easy. It'll ask you if you want to delete it, and you say yes, just as a confirmation, and it's gone. If you wanted to unsubscribe them from the list test email when unsubscribing from this list, so say if you had somebody that was on both lists and all of a sudden they unsubscribe from one list, it's wise to set it to where it will unsubscribe them from all lists. But that is your personal preference. You can use it however you want. You don't even have to have it in here you don't even have to use these if you don't want to. But it's a very handy tool, like I said, whenever you have APIs set up to where people are moved from one list to the next. And then you can also, you got another option that says subscribe to list test email or whatever list that you're on when subscribed to this list. That is pretty much all there is to the list automation. It's very simple, very easy to use, and it can really make things a lot easier for you when you're managing multiple lists. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you, and we'll see you in the next one.